everyone, welcome to your heart readings. Okay, sending you love all the way from India. Bharat, namaste. Let's start with the reading and I'm going to check out the vibes. I also did the post of like in the community itself, and if you follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS Shells Running, I did post there that I'm going to be more frequent with heart readings, especially for everyone out there. Also, I'm going to upload other readings as in shuffle, as in views, but heart readings is for everyone, soulmate, twin flames connections, if you just pick that word, but particularly. Now we're going to dig deep. Today I'm going to use Fairy Lights Tarot. This is one of the beautiful decks I have in my collection and I just like it. Okay, I just love it. Okay, I love all my decks, but look at the back cover and everything. They are birds upside down playing, and there is some things manifesting here. There are the mythical fairies and elves and all that stuff, and in this season, wow. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm going to go with this. Okay, and you have two cards that flipped out, and the message that came through was scream. SCREAM, scream. Okay, I feel like this is inside scream more than external. It is internal. Okay, there's also processing going on, and I'm also seeing here as if like it is connected with emotional, I'm unable to pick that word exactly, but it came through prior. This is something like emotional healing, of course, but it is also kind of like filtering. Okay, people are filtering the stuff here, and it's inside. It's about renewal. Okay, so many of the energies in this frame or in this time frame, they are actually processing inside and screaming from inside, that why am I screaming for particular energy or for particular scenario or situation. Now you have two cards that flipped together. Okay, this is one of a King of Cups energy, which is amazing again, and there is someone who is unable to focus on something because there are lights coming, and that light is being reflecting, like it's reflecting something on the floor or in life right now. Now the power is within, of course, we all know, but some of you are unable to accept something in this time frame. May this be any sort of friendship, connection, love, or anything happening. This is about screaming from inside so that it breaks. Now unless and until you accept it, the scream will come out, which means if you are screaming like this, it's congestion, it's complicated, and the moment you're going to be then it's going to be feeling relaxed and energized again, because there is this process of filtering those emotions, and scream is basically the title, I think. Now let me show you the card. This is King of Cups energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and the connected card is Nine of Swords. Something came in as a lure, or something that someone is got inclined, basically lured towards person, emotions, or this is something that's not going, and that's why it is screaming from inside, that why then it came. It is about the pearl, Pearl, why that was being presented to me, why this friendship came, why we got in contact, those questions regarding that. It is also something connected with the renewal, that may be the scream of renewal, that may be something that we need to heal and then filter and then come out of that in order to renew ourselves, because many of you are going through renewal, and this is also the speed of renewal basically, or the speed of coming out of that. I mean, the more power is given to scream from inside, the less it will be taking time to break free from something. It's going to be, the more the scream is, the glass will have the crack. Okay, inside screams, emotional difficulty during night, emotional difficulty is leading to stressful sleep. Some of you may have something connected with definitely emotional basis. That's why it is the scream, and that's why it's like someone is trying to move away from the area in order to, like, people are trying, let me just put that again, people are trying here to break free from disturbances of the day, but in the night they want proper peaceful sleep, which is again, there are some beetles around as an energy form trying to distract you or disturb you. Those are thoughts. Okay, those are thoughts. And I have this one card on top, which is water. Again, it came, I've shuffled it and it came water. So maybe Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. But apart from that, as an energy form, this is about being emotional for some situation for too long or too much. Okay, also there is this one particular card that was like this, and I thought of like taking it because I couldn't see, and that's an escapist. Two dots that could never meet. Okay, I'll be back. I apologize, there were sounds. So there may be someone who is escaping from this idea of, because they are not present to heal you. There were questions they never answered. If this is about specific energy, you'll be aware about it, of course. But there's this escapist energy, like not accepting if someone is not accepting, or not exactly claiming if someone is not claiming. And if this is this person's energy, they are not removing that particular energy or mask or something, whatever they are wearing, because this is an escapist energy. This may be even person. No sugarcoating. This may be even person, and this may be this person's emotion that they're escaping from emotions. Two dots, two positions, that's not actually meeting. Emotional escapism. The one who doesn't accept that they feel something for someone and is not answerable, though they should be, and they are, but they're not doing it, okay? So this is about the scream, filtering the emotions, taking care of self. I also kind of get this energy that this person might be busy on focusing on pearls, which is about earning, which is about finding treasure, which is about into self. I see like someone is into self, which is causing possibly you more anxiety. Okay? And this is also about overcoming something. As I said, someone is definitely trying here not to hear, not to hear, not to hear, not to hear, not to hear. But they end up hearing because that is loud at night. Some of you might be having some trouble sleeping because of the sound that come, that's a medical thing, okay? The sound that come from or within ears, okay? For that, you can go in for, of course, just a medical issue, but medication to soothe out, or you can start yoga. Yoga does help, and there are specific yoga poses that will help you. There's also something connected with zero asana, which is shunya. Shunya, Shunya. Shunya means zero. Pose that you sit in some position of crossing your legs, okay? And I can't show you here, but I will. If you people want, I'll record that video. Just let me know, okay? Even if you don't do, if you miss this, skip this, maybe I'll make it. It's just I'm not into this too much, but I know some specific things that I can help you with, because I feel that's my purpose, just not tarot. So it's like joining this like this, and then sitting in that position of kind of meditation. And meditation is not a pressure, it is just sit idle, just don't think anything, just think about yourself kind of energy. Even if you're not sitting in that position, just like me, just sit in this position. Think nothing, because you're thinking. The point here is that people are thinking, and they're very emotional nowadays. And it is difficult for them to filter that, yes, of course they escape. Yes, of course there's an escapist. Yes, of course they're not answerable. Because some of you are dealing with an escapist who doesn't focus on what they're supposed to, and they're focusing on other things. That this person is possible for many of you connected, okay, already. Six of Cups energy, connected with your recent past, distant past. It depends, but this person, of course, is there. even their presence somewhere on social media, even their presence in your contact list. Okay? Or maybe this is also the energy of your someone in connection. If it's not love matter, this is someone who is your friend or is in connection. Of course, this is a king. Regardless of gender here, but there is someone who is trying to portray as if it doesn't affect them in the same way it does affect them. They have screams in their life. Some kind of scream, okay? Definitely not justified. For how long someone gonna escape from their own emotions? You have to accept it to overcome, of course, right? Let's see. I just heard that something is not in alignment. Alignment. If I'm not wrong, it is ALIGNMENT. Alignment. Something is not aligned here. Because of distance, maybe someone is not even escaping, but they can do anything because they are focusing on something else, which makes sense because they are more emotional. Emotional and unable to accept because there is distance. Someone is in the demand of reaching somewhere. It's just not even wanting something. I feel like reaching somewhere. So maybe it's the reach to person or reach to certain goal or something in their life. You also have Knight of Cups energy. Look, you have 8 of Pentacles. This is also desire to reach to certain goal, connected with money, work. Knight of Cups energy. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This is something that is connected with in order to reach. But where? I see here upcoming events. Okay? An upcoming event connected with the past person, with the past energy, with past friends, family, hometown. Someone is looking forward to reach somewhere. And the moment I said reaching somewhere, this is 3 of Wands. It's taking a trip. Not exactly, though it is like, ship coming. Maybe it is about booking, reservation, something that someone is looking forward to make way or to reach. Reach to the person, reach to somewhere that they find peace. And right now, possible the situation is all about that they are screaming. There are a lot of, oh my God, there's a lot of crowd around them. Of energies, of work, making something out of nothing. And then the energy turns up as of like escapist. Oh my God, you're escaping from your emotions, though it is like something that they are trying to convince themselves and looking forth to their own life right now here. That's what I see. The satisfaction that they might be seeking here. Energies over here, you people may be looking forward to meet with the one. The renovation that is in demand possible. You have the Judgment at bottom. It's about giving chances, upcoming event. It is also about the sound. Some of energies might be thinking that this is scream, which might not be the scream but the announcement. Okay, and the announcement does feel like scream because it is coming from far in order to change the current scenario. This is also about callback, like calling you back, or maybe someone's call back. Maybe someone will end up calling you. I feel like someone can't leave their position. They cannot leave their throne. They cannot leave this particular area because all is about the speed they are in. I feel like the speed is of cheetah or leopard, or whatever that connection is, connected with the wild something. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's interesting. I feel someone is stuck in the mid of making decision right now. This is not the time possible, or they might be at cross, unable to decide on something exactly is the deal. Now your card is number 7, which is Chariot, maybe Cancerian. Okay, please ignore the sounds, I'll be loud. I can't help it. I had the calling of recording this, right? Oh god, I have to pause the videos in the mid. What is happening? There's a lot of disturbance, I'm telling you that. That's also the scream. That's crowd. That's disturbances around. And in the midst of that, filtering the emotions. You have number 7, which is Chariot, Major Arcana. But also you have, the way I said, someone is in like things happening. Crowd is there. Movement is there. Okay, also travel. Like in the midst of unable to decide, but they're on the move. So there may be something in the upcoming time trying to reach. Someone is trying to reach what I said. Some of you are going to reach to the person, or someone is going to reach you in the future, because that's future card energy. Okay, it depends. And then you're going to figure out exactly what was happening, because the look at the card, this is amazing. The movement or the move is there. And this is basically, some of you might be traveling, or you might be dealing with the one who is traveling. They're on the go. They're not an escapist, but they're on the go. Two spots. Self-centered. Someone may be behaving as self-centered, I'm sorry. This came through like selfish, but selfish is okay to think about oneself. Of course, but self-centered is all about them. If that makes sense. I feel that kind of energy. I don't know about others, but self-centered is someone who is just thinking about their own situation right now, their own travel, because they have to reach somewhere. They have some completion. They have to do it. They cannot focus anywhere right now. Okay? Maybe they are searching their own happily ever after. Look at the card here. This is happily ever after, and look at the bottom, or the card is Ace of Cups kind of energy. So the cup. Do you have anything to say? Do you have anything to say? Yes, someone is feeling burdensome. They're dragging something. This may be your own energy. Maybe you've traveled a lot with this particular energy emotionally, and now this is time to not drag it anymore. Whatever it is, it's like not feeling burdensome and figuring out their next destination. Next job, next destination even. Aquarius, or just a direction. 10 of Pentacles. Can you give us the flip? Can you give us the flip, souls and spirits? Can you give us the flip for heart readings, people dealing with people? What is happening? Okay, in the coming time. I just heard in the coming time, and this card just came, and okay. It just came out and then it went in, and it is near the Lovers. You have 3 of Cups. In the coming time, there's going to be talk again, meeting again, reunion, feeling filtered. Emotions will be out. Feeling self. Okay. And with the Lovers, I also feel someone gonna express. Like it is going to be, for some of you, this is going to be the journey of from friendship to love. And I'm not talking about the one day you meet someone and the second day they say, I love you. Some cases, yes, but I don't feel that energy. All I feel is that you know this person for a very long time, but someone can hardly express it or hardly can focus on emotions, and that's why they're possible going through their own screams. And those screams might be of their own healing, or of their own past or the present situations that they might be dragging. Unable to decide, unable to reach, but they want to reach somewhere. And this does feel like self-centered energy. Okay, they are dealing with something. Okay, but with this, it is like high reunion. Someone will end up talking. And this may be King of Pentacles even. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay. I see someone is missing someone. Look, Eight of Pentacles. Someone is trying to complete something, reach, specialize. You know, it is also organizing. It is about money. It is about career related. Polishing something, learning the art. Just done. Or maybe someone is trying to wind up something in order to contact you, because that's what is in future coming. Three of Cups. You also have this Knight of Cups. Someone may end up expressing, and I do feel that someone is too much in head. Okay, what about this person? Because people have curiosity. What about this person? What is that is going in their mind or heart, or what is that they feel, or whatever it is it? Connect. Please give us the energy. They're traveling. They're dealing with people who lie. That's the crowd. Inner scream. All right. What is that they feel? They feel how you're going to take this. They feel like this. They are controlling their emotions. They are afraid to lose you. Kind of energy, if it does resonate with you, kind of like in this situation when we are friends with someone and we can't lose, or someone is important to us. Four of Pentacles is something is on their mind, heart, and everywhere. It's money, or work related stress or pressure, and they can't lose it. But regarding you, someone is feeling hesitant or complicated. They don't feel that confident in order to let you know what exactly inside, because there's duality going on. Moon, they may be Piscean. But definitely there is something hidden. Share these videos. Why I'm saying that, because these are for everyone, not specific to any sign. This is about someone who is in control of not letting, because they are seeking that stability. King of Pentacles. This may be someone who is trying to control themselves, or maybe it does portray as if like, or they present as if like they are egoistic or self-centered kind of energy. But this is also the energy of not looking exactly, but doing the stuff they want to, but exactly they know that this is here. Look at the expression. Say, oh my God. I'm sorry. I always apologize, but people know that in my area there are so many sounds. I can't help it. Knight of Wands energy is the deal, honey. No matter how hard they hide, but this energy is about something drives them crazy and they want to pursue. No matter even if they're not doing like this, they have this. Maybe they have Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. They want to make a move, and they are going to. I mean, this is in their mind, you know. I have to. This is curiosity connected with you. They have running passion. They can't like kind of like lose you, kind of, even if it is like just connection or friendship, even love. Okay, take care guys. I love you. See you soon.